Hi, it's Jake from Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to opt out of Peoplelooker step by step. Please note that if you are a resident of California, Colorado, Connecticut, or Virginia, there are separate instructions on how to opt out of Peoplelooker, so stay tuned until the end of the video to find out. As for the opt-out process for U.S. residents in general, here are the step-by-step instructions. Just go to their website, scroll down, and click Do Not Sell My Personal Information. Opt-out requests for Peoplelooker are processed by Been Verified. On the pop-up, click the Do Not Sell My Info button to proceed with your opt-out. To search for your record, enter your first and last name, select your state, and click Search. Find your record from the search results and click the Proceed to Opt-out button beside your listing. In the next window, enter your email address, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Send Verification Email. For your safety and security, we highly recommend using a disposable email address and not using your primary email address. Data brokers are known to add you to their marketing lists and databases whenever you contact them via email. Now for the next step, check your email inbox, open the email message from Been Verified, and click the Verify Opt-out link. After clicking the link, a message confirming your opt-out request will appear. Your personal information will be removed from the Peoplelooker website within 24 to 48 hours. Now, if you are a resident of California, Colorado, Connecticut, or Virginia, here are the specific step-by-step instructions on how to opt out of Peoplelooker. Just go to their website, scroll down, and click Do Not Sell My Personal Information. As stated previously, opt-out requests for Peoplelooker are processed by Been Verified. On the pop-up, click the Do Not Sell My Info button. To search for your record, enter your first and last name. Select your state and click Search. Now this is their specific opt-out form. Just select Do Not Sell My Information as your request type and enter your membership ID. Only if you have one, fill out the rest of the form with the necessary information. And once done, click Continue. Same as mentioned earlier. For your safety and security, we would highly recommend using a disposable email address and not using your primary email address. Now find your listing from the search results and click Proceed to Opt Out. On the next page, enter any additional information you would like removed by clicking the drop-down arrow and entering the information requested. Check the certification box, complete the CAPTCHA, and click the Remove My Info button. You will receive a notification that your opt-out request was successfully submitted, as well as an email message from them for the final step. Now with the final step, check your email inbox for a message from Been Verified. Open the email and click Verify Opt-out. A message confirming your successful opt-out will appear, and your personal information will be removed from the Peoplelooker website. Congratulations on opting out of Peoplelooker. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.